I bet it would, man.
Yeah, fuck you.
Fuck you.
Got no sleep, how about you? Couldn't count all the times that I puked. Wanna go home, but I lost that too. I don't know what I'm going to do, 'cause I lost my mind. I lost my mind. I lost my mind. I lost my mind. Now here I go on a permanent path. Try to move slow as I travel too fast. And I'm in this hell that I built for myself. Would have hope if I could be helped, but I lost my mind.